Hey friends, who's hungry? This fall, mosey on up to a bowl of hearty and delicious Cowboy chili. Brown 2 pounds of ground beef in a large stock pot until it's no longer pink. Strain the ground beef using a slotted spoon and discard all but 1 or 2 tablespoons of the grease. Add 1 diced medium onion and 1 large diced green bell pepper. Saute the vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender. Then add 2 cloves of minced garlic and saute for another 30 seconds. Return the ground beef to the pot, then add 1 can of pinto beans, 1 can of dark red kidney beans, 1 packet of chili seasoning mix, and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Next, add 3 cans of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of beef broth. Bring the broth to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and simmer for 2 hours. Serve the chili hot with your choice of toppings. Follow me for more recipes.